Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Platter. In this video, we will discuss about different divisibility rules. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of divisible by, then the importance of divisibility rules, and after that we will discuss different divisibility rules. If we have two numbers and we divide one number by another and we are getting any whole number as a result without any remainder, in that case we say one number is divisible by another. Look at the examples. Here we have 15 and 3. 15 is divisible by 3 because we are getting 5 as a result with no remainder. In the same manner, if we have 49 and 7, we are getting 7. No remainder is there, so 49 is divisible by 7. In this case, 60 and 8, if we divide 60 with 8, we are getting 7 but with remainder 4. So 60 is not divisible by 8. तो अगर आपके पास टू नंबर्स हैं और आप एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड करें और आपके पास रिजल्ट में होल नंबर आता है, कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं आता है, उस केस में हम कहते हैं कि फर्स्ट नंबर सेकेंड नंबर से डिविजिबल है, अदरवाइज नहीं है. So why to study divisibility rules? Actually, these divisibility rules help us to check whether one number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out division process. That's why we prefer to learn these divisibility rules. Divisibility rule for 2. Rule says when the unit digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we say that the number is divisible by 2, otherwise not. Look at the example 1. Here we have 30 ends in 0, 150 ends in 152 ends in 2, 284 ends in 4 and 6136 ends in 6. ये सभी numbers आपके 2 से divisible हैं. Look at the example 2. Here we have numbers 71, 383, 415 and 9067. So these numbers 71 ends in 1, 383 ends in 3, 415 ends in 5 and 9067 ends in 7. ये सब numbers आपके divisible नहीं हैं 2 से. Next is divisibility by 3. Its rule says when the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. जो भी आपको number given है उसके आपको सभी digits को add करना है और जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उसे चेक करना है. अगर वो डिविजिबल है 3 से तो आपका नंबर भी डिविजिबल होगा 3 से. सो दिस एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, 64,275. So after adding all these digits we get 24. So we need to check whether 24 is divisible by 3 or not. So here 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Look at the example 2. 39,583. After adding all the digits of this number we get 28 and 28 is not divisible by 3. So we may say that this number 39,583 is not divisible by 3. Next is divisibility by 4. When the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. अगर आपको कोई भी नंबर गिवन है तो उसके लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स आपको चेक करने हैं. अगर लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स डिविजिबल हैं 4 से तो वो कंप्लीट नंबर आपका डिविजिबल होगा 4 से. लुक एट द एग्जांपल 1. हियर वी हैव 424. लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स आर 24 and 24 is divisible by 4, so 424 is divisible by 4. 96,852. Last 2 digits are 52 and 52 is divisible by 4. So this complete number is divisible by 4. Look at the example 2. Here we have 314. As we know 14 is not divisible by 4. So 314 is not divisible by 4. 6394. Here 94 we have to check. So 94 is not divisible by 4. So we may say that 6394 is not divisible by 4. So this was the divisibility rule for 4. Next is divisibility rule for 5. It says when the units digit of any number is 0 or 5, we may say we may say that the number is divisible by 5, otherwise not. Look at the example 1. Here we have different numbers. 90 ends with 0, 155 ends in 5, 280 ends in 0, and 6135 ends in 5. So all these numbers are divisible by 5. Look at the example 2. Here we have different numbers. 71 ends in 1. Likewise, 383 ends in 3, 418 ends in 8, and 9067 ends in 7. So all these numbers are not divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. Its rule says when the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, अगर कोई भी नंबर आपका डिविजिबल है 2 से भी और 3 से भी, तो वो डिविजिबल होगा 6 से भी. So look at the example 1. Here we have first number 42. So it ends with 2. So it is divisible by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, 4 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So and 6 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So we may say if it is divisible by 2 and 3, and the next number is 114, it ends in 4. लास्ट यूनिट डिजिट हमने चेक किया, यूनिट डिजिट आपका क्या है 4, तो ये क्या है 2 से डिविजिबल है. और 114 का सम क्या आ रहा है 1 + 4 + 1, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 6. So again it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. Look at the example 2. 39. It ends in 9. So it is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 2, and its total is 12. So it is divisible by 3. And we may conclude that it is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 2. Look at another example. 2432. It ends in 2, so it may be divisible by 2, and its total is 2 + 4, 6 + 3, 9, + 2, 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So we may say that 2432 is not divisible by 6. This was the divisibility rule for 6. Divisibility by 7. Its rule says when the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7, then we say that the number is divisible by 7. इसे समझते हैं. देखिए, look at the example 1. 6804. यहाँ पे हमने यूनिट्स डिजिट को कंसीडर करना है. सबसे पहले यूनिट डिजिट इज 4. यूनिट डिजिट आपके पास क्या है 4. इसे सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2 से, और जो रिमेनिंग नंबर है 680, उसमें से हमने डिडक्ट कर देना है. तो 680 में से हमने 8 डिडक्ट कर देना है, तो हमारे पास आ गया 672. अगर आप यहाँ पे अभी कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, आपको पता चल पा रहा है कि ये 7 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है, तो आप यहाँ पे इस प्रोसेस को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज़ इसी प्रोसेस को रिपीट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो अभी हमारे पास 672 आया. सपोज़ हमें नहीं पता चल पा रहा, तो 672 आया है. वंस डिजिट इज अगेन 2, so 2 multiplied by 2, and we will deduct it from remaining number. The remaining number is 67 minus 4. So lastly we get 63. Now we can say that 63 is divisible by 7. So we may say that 6804 is divisible by 7. In the same way, if we have 1367, so units digit is 7. So we multiply 7 with 2, we get 14, and we deduct 14 from 136. अभी 136 में से आपने 14 डिडक्ट किया, तो आपके पास क्या है 122. वी रिपीट अगेन दिस प्रोसेस. सो 122, here we have 2 as unit digit. So 2 multiplied to 4, and we deduct 4 from 12. So we get 8. and 8 is not divisible by 7. So we may say that this number is not divisible by 7. Next comes divisibility rule for 8. Its rule says when the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then we say that the number is divisible by 8. Look at the example 1. 1808. यहाँ पे आपको चेक करना है कि लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स अगर 8 से डिविजिबल है, अगर जो नंबर लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स से बन रहा है 808 अगर 8 से डिविजिबल है तो आपका नंबर कंप्लीट नंबर 8 से डिविजिबल होगा. 808 हमें पता चल रहा है कि 8 से डिविजिबल है, तो हम इस बोल सकते हैं कि ये पूरा नंबर आपका 8 से डिविजिबल है. 79,152. So we need to check only this number 152. Fine. So if it is divisible by 8, then we may say the complete number is divisible by 8. Right? In the same way, in example 2 we have 1721. A number formed by last 3 digits here is 721. 721 is not divisible by 8. 720 is divisible by 8, but 721 is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. 57,348. And now we need to check whether 348 is divisible by 8 or not. So it is not divisible by 8. So we may say that 57,348 is not divisible by 8. Next is divisibility by 9. Its rule says when the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. तो इस केस में भी हमें 3 की तरह ही सम करना है डिजिट्स का, और अगर वो डिविजिबल है 9 से तो नंबर भी डिविजिबल होगा. Look at the example 1. Here we have 65,403. So we need to add all the digits of this number. After adding all the digits we get 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So we may say that the given number is divisible by 9. And example 2, 81,326. After adding all the digits we get 20, and 20 is not divisible by 9. So we may say this number, given number, is not divisible by 9. Next is divisibility by 10. Its rule says when the units digit is 0, then we say that the given number is divisible by 10. Look at the example 1. 30, 150, 280 and 6,130. In all these numbers units digit is 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 10, and all these numbers are not divisible by. And next is divisibility rule for 11. Its rule is we have to add the digits at even places and that at odd places, and if the difference between these two sums is 0 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. इसमें हमें इवन प्लेसेस पर जो डिजिट्स हैं उन्हें अलग से ऐड करना है, और ऑड प्लेसेस पर जो डिजिट्स हैं उन्हें अलग से ऐड करना है, और दोनों का डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करना है. अगर ये डिफरेंस 0 आता है या 11 का कोई मल्टीपल आता है तब हम बोलेंगे कि नंबर आपका हमारा डिविजिबल है 11 से. लुक एट द एग्जांपल 1. 90,728. डिजिट्स एट ऑड प्लेसेस आर 8, 7 and 9. Sum of the digits at odd places will be 8 plus 7 plus 9 is equals to 24. Sum of its digits at even places will be 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. And the difference between these two sums will be 22. Since 22 is divisible by 11, so we can say that 90,728 is also divisible by 11. Example 2. 76,844. Now in this, sum of all the digits at odd places will be 4 plus 8 plus 7, which is equals to 19, and sum of its digits at even places will be 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Difference is equals to 19 minus 10, that is 9. As 9 is not divisible by 11, so we can say that 76,844 is not divisible by 11. And that's all for this video. I hope you understand all the divisibility rules. If you have any problem, you can comment.